So if you're a coach, if you have a coaching business, you've probably heard about S corporations, that they could save you on taxes, and you might be wondering, well, when would I make the S corporation election? Why would I make the S corporation election? I'm going to go over that now so that way you could maximize your tax savings, avoid any costly mistakes, and have more peace of mind. So an S corporation is a separate entity, and it files its own tax return, and all the profits that it generates flow through to you on K1, and they get reported on your personal tax return on Schedule E. So the thing about a coaching business is that normally all the profits go on Schedule C and they get double taxed. The first tax is the self-employment tax at 15.3%. That's FICA, Social Security, Medicare. And the second tax is income tax, which is at your ordinary income tax rate. S corporation profits don't get any of that Social Security, Medicare, FICA taxes, none of the self-employment taxes, so those profits are taxed less heavily than they would be normally. The catch is that you have to pay yourself a reasonable salary as an S corporation owner. And that salary, which you want to make as low as possible generally, that is subject to self-employment taxes. And so the game becomes, what's the lowest reasonable salary that I could pay myself? Now, S corporations come with some extra administrative burdens. So for example, you need to file an 1120S tax return every year in addition to your 1040 tax return. As well, you have to file payroll reports with the IRS, and there's of course more accounting that needs to be done with an S corporation. It's more detailed. However, if the tax savings are worth it, which they are generally when you're over about 50,000 in profit, then it could be a huge win to file as an S corporation and really cut down the amount of Social Security and Medicare taxes that you're paying. And that's it. I hope you got some value out of that. If you have any questions, if you want to learn more about how to structure your coaching business for tax efficiency, how to do S corporation, then head over to sussman.cpa, and I would love to help you out. As always, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, have a wonderful day, and wish you all the best. Take care.